Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to link eBay with Payoneer. Now let's get started. First of all, open the browser. You can use any browser that you like. Over here I'm using Edge. Now go to www.ebay.com and this will take you to the eBay's homepage. The one thing that you have to remember is in order to link eBay with Payoneer, you cannot link it from the payment section. For that, you have to create a list and only after it you can link your Payoneer with the eBay. Now let's get started. First of all, go to my eBay. It's over here. Tap on it. And now we can see several options over here. Tap on selling, then tap on sell an item. Then you can see an option for list an item over here. Tap on it. Now type the name of item that what you are going to sell. For example, I'm going to sell the stickers. And eBay will also provide some specific option over here. If this switch your item, you can choose one of them in order to make it more specific. Once done, tap on search icon. It's over here. Now it will ask you to find a match. If any of this item matches your product, you can match them too, and if not, you can continue without match. For that, tap on continue without match. Now confirm the condition of your item. It may be new order, used, for the parts, or not working. For now I'm keeping it new. Tap on it and continue to listing. Now you will be taken to the listing from here. You have to add photos and videos. I'm keeping it whatever I have in my laptop. Let's skip this for now. You can add up to 24 photos and 1-minute video over here. But when you are adding an item, make sure to keep the real photo of the item. Then here's the title section. You can edit the item title over here. Then you can see item category. This is one category, and if you tap on edit, you can also add a secondary category over here. Once done, tap on done. Then there's item specifics. This is additional, so I'm keeping it as it is, and if you want you can add them too. And there's variations, condition, we have chosen it before, so I'm keeping it as it is. And on the description section, describe your product. You can also use this AI over here for the description. For that, tap and use AI description and it will write description for you. And there's a pricing section, so you can either choose auction or buy it now from here. You can also choose the duration, bid, and etc. And here's shipping method. Choose the shipping method that you prefer. And here's preferences. You can edit it too. You can also turn it on the domestic returns and international returns. You want to accept the returns. Once done, tap on done. And here's option for promote your listing. If you want to promote your item and increase your sales, you can toggle it on too. And there's an option for charity. That means you will donate a certain portion of your income for the charity. If you want to do it, simply tap on edit and choose it on. After you fill all the information, simply tap on list it. Then you will be taken to seller manage payments. And here's the process. First of all, you have to connect a Payoneer account, and that means how to link your eBay with the Payoneer account. And second is sync eBay and Payoneer profile, add your financial info and submit your registration. Now tap on get started. Now you will be asked to verify your phone number. Simply add your phone country code and your phone number over here. You can either choose call me or text me. I'm choosing text me. Now it will send a security code to your phone number. Paste it over here. Then tap on continue. Then you will be asked if you want to continue with the individual account or company account. If you are selling it alone, simply tap on individual account. If you are joining eBay from the company, send it to the company account to make it business account. Right now I'm keeping it an individual account. After you have choose the account that you prefer, simply tap on continue. Then you will be asked if you have existing Payoneer account for this person. I do have, so tap on yes, sign in, log into your account, then sign in. Then it will send a verification code to your phone number. Now tap it over here, then tap on submit, then allow it from your email, then confirm it from your mail address, then agree the terms and conditions. And your connection is successful. And that's it. You have successfully linked your eBay account with Payoneer. Now you are ready to receive payments without any hassle. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.